I'll show you how to make some easy miter joints, and to do so I'm just going to make a four-sided picture frame. So R for rectangle, and I'm going to draw in this direction 2, 20, enter. P for push pull, and I'm going to give it a thickness of 0.75 inches, enter. And I like to draw my chunk of wood first and then make my cuts on it. That's how you're going to do your woodworking anyway, so that's the preferred route I like to take. I'm going to use my protractor tool and making sure I stay on the blue plane here, and I'm going to click my beginning reference off this edge, and my reference angle is going to be 45 degrees. Alpha line, and let's just connect the dots here. Do the same thing up here. Protractor, starting here, reference here, away from that, 45 degrees, enter. Alpha line, let me zoom in and I can just select this right here. P for push pull, and let's chop this all the way off to the bottom. And chop this off all the way to the bottom. Spacebar, and I can delete my guides. Now that you have a working part, spacebar, triple click to select everything. G for component, and enter. Let's draw the other side of this miter real quick. So R for rectangle, and I'm actually just going to draw it right underneath the first one. So let's go 12 for our length here, comma 2, enter. P for push pull, and as you can see in the corner they're sharing the same space. So I can either type in my height or just, well, yeah, or just reference off the other height over here. So the same thing, 3/4 of an inch. Now this needs to be chopped off on this corner. Alpha line, and I'm actually going to trace my other piece. P for push pull, and I'm going to push this all the way to the bottom, and I can just reference off any bottom edge or end point. Spacebar, triple click. Actually, no, I forgot to make my other miter here. So let's go ahead and draw with our protractor again. Referencing off here, 45 degrees, enter. Alpha line, and just trace from that endpoint to this intersection. P for push pull. Let's push it down and tell it to stop on this edge. Spacebar, select my guideline, delete. Triple click to select my whole part. G for component, enter. Now I can select one of these. M for move. Control brings up copy, and set one side by side. Now it's in the right, it needs to be flip-flopped, and I drug it across the red, so I can right click, flip along the red, and just move it into place like so. Same thing with this piece down here. M for move. Control brings up copy, and set it over there. Right click, and I drug it across the green so I can flip it across the green and put it into place like so. So pretty quick and easy way to make miter joints, a little picture frame here. Very simple little exercise.